OpenAI's viral AI video creator, Sora, is finally coming to Android. After months of iOS exclusivity, the powerful text-to-video app has officially landed on the Google Play Store for select regions. Let's break down everything you need to know about Sora's Android launch and what makes it so special. After debuting first on iOS and crossing 1 million downloads, the Sora video app by OpenAI is now rolling out on Android. According to OpenAI's official Sora X handle, the first rollout includes the US, Canada, Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam, with more countries expected soon. Sora turns your text or images into cinematic videos, complete with sound and dialogue. You can describe a scene or mix visuals to create short, realistic clips in seconds. You can also remix others' videos, follow creators, and even cast yourself into AI-generated scenes, like a TikTok powered by AI. OpenAI calls this the GPT 3.5 moment for video, marking a huge leap in AI storytelling. While Sora.com is still invite-only, Android users can now explore it freely on the Play Store. Ready to try it? Download Sora by OpenAI today and start creating your own AI-powered stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more AI and tech updates.